Welcome back to another video. This is Hythe Town Football Club. This is for the chairman, this spot. Manager of the first team. Secretary. Director of football. Not sure exactly the Reachfields Stadium. I'm not exactly sure what we can see. But we'll have a little wander around and see if there's anything that we can see. There's turnstiles this way. I'll take it that's the turnstiles. So not a lot to see around this way. I know you can get a little glimpse of the pitch around here. I'll pause it when I get back there, so you've already seen this bit. Right, so I'm back where I first started, and if you have a cheeky little look over this fence, you can see the pitch. Clubhouse, I think that's that building there. Some covered, looks like standing. I'm not sure if it's seats there as well. If there is anyone to ask, I will ask if I can go in, just sort of get a slightly better picture, but I don't think there's anyone here. Make sure you have a look where they are in the league. I'll show a quick Google of Hythe Town in Hythe in Kent. We'll give you more information of where they are in the league. Coming towards the end of the season now, it's just turned April. So, are they mid-table, battling it out for nothing? Or are they fighting relegation or promotion? I don't tend to do any history before going to a place. I tend to just go out, film, and then it makes people more curious to have a look and see where they are in the league, etc. So yeah, that's what I'll walk around to the other side and see if there's anything to be seen around the other side. Just moved slightly to the right where I was looking over onto the pitch. Some stairs there that go up to that part of the building. It's like where they keep their rubbish. I'll walk along here to give you a little, don't think there's too much to be seen here. Nice video nonetheless. There's some green gates here at the bottom that are not open, but you can see through. But it looks like a nice, yeah, Hythe Town FC, the bar. We always welcome new members. So I'll just, I'll get to the end here and have a look, see if there's anything worth filming. Okay, right, so I just got to that other end, and all you can see is just one goal. There's a stand over there. Oh, it's just having trouble focusing through the Paul Markland stand. Maybe an old player, an old chairman, an old manager. But yeah, as I say, look, I'm up. This is where I am. You just can't really see much. Shame there wasn't no one here. Because of these non-league grounds, they don't mind you having a little look. Try and do that at or any football team that's sort of higher than League 2. Be like, oh no. Yeah, just a corner flag there you can see. So yeah, not a lot you can see. I mean, I have flew the drone, but a little distance away, because it is close to the live firing range for the army, the military. So I'm not sure what exact restrictions are right here. But I'll have a look, set it up and see what it tells me, if it allows me. I mean, I wouldn't go too far, because I only thought I'd sort of fly it straight up and then get an overall picture. But yeah, if I don't, you know why. There's no drone footage. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry, back again. Guys and girls, the other goal. So I just thought I'd get that in there. I'm tall enough to, well, I can tiptoe probably to see over this wall, but the camera certainly can get over and have a look. So yeah, that's the other goal. And that's more the centre of the pitch. Looks like that's the dugouts for both teams. You can see if there's any, if there was any seats. No, just standing. But it looks all covered. That looks covered as well. So at least you can keep out of the weather if you come along here on a rainy day. They've only gone too fast there, but yeah, that's still the Paul Markland stand. Right, I think that'll be about it. So thanks, guys and girls.